here for let's catch up with them.
Sounds like a good idea.
Today's class was really exhausting, wasn't it?
I know, but can't really do anything about it. Hey, isn't it Rashida?
Hi! Hey, how are you? I'm good, how are you?
Can't be better.
Yeah, Makalla, are you okay?
Here, drink some water.
Alhamdulillah, I am alright. It's just a seasonal cough.
Come, let's go see a doctor.
I haven't been butthole since 2 years.
Me too. I miss her. I'm gonna hug her as soon as I see her.
Me too!
But no! Stop. Thanks, please.
Let's hug now.
No, wait. First check your temperature.
I guess now.
No, I have something for y'all. Gloves.
Oh, these are so tight. They don't even fit me.
I know, but they're important for your safety.
Come on now, can we at least do a handshake?
Wait, just one last thing.
Guys, it's nothing, it's just... Where are you going, guys?
Go, Corona, go, Corona.
Listen!
Go, Corona, go, Corona.
Oh, my friends will be coming!
Hey, birthday boy!
Hi!
Happy birthday! Thank you for calling me in your birthday party.
Thank you. Enjoy. Have a seat.
Hi, thank you for inviting and happy birthday.
Thank you. Have a seat. Enjoy.
Hey bro, happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, bro!
Thank you. Enjoy. Have a seat. Happy birthday! I got you limited brand edition Gucci bag. Wow! Thank you! My first Gucci. You're the bestest friend ever, Hussein. My pleasure. Here, have a seat. Enjoy. My friends will be here in a minute. Where is my mask? Oh, here it is. Where is my sanitizer?
Hi.
Oh, yeah. Keep it. Have a seat.
Hey bro, happy birthday.
Yeah. Keep it here. Have a seat. Hey man, I bought you Gucci limited. Yeah, keep it here. Have a seat.
Hey man, I didn't know what you wanted, so I bought this for you.
Yeah, keep it here. Oh, what is this? Hey guys!
Happy birthday to you.
Hey, thank you, Mufaddal. You're the bestest friend ever.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Here, have a seat. Please enjoy.
Happy birthday to you.
Have you gone out of your mind?
Happy birthday.
Oh, what's up with teachers these days?
Yeah.
They give too much of homework. I don't get time to play. Yeah, I agree.
Dear students, complete your homework on time and better submit it by tomorrow. We have a lot to cover in this semester. See you. Bye-bye.
This is it. I can't take it anymore. So much homework and assignment. I hope we get a long vacation very soon.
Yeah. My son, are you doing your homework? You better make sure you are doing your homework. You are aware that your mother and I are busy with the housework since snow maid is coming. But that does not mean you don't do your homework. Your teacher is not here to remind you, but I am there, constantly watching on you. I say you have so much time. Study for next semester too. Complete your books, practice your maths once, twice, thrice. And why are you making those faces? Sit. Do you think you are leaving this house? No one is leaving this house. Not you, not me. Give me that packet. Munching all the time.
Oh man, why? I hope the school reopens soon. I can't take it anymore.
Mom, can I go out with my friends? No need to go anywhere. Sit here and study hard. But Mom, I want a break. You will get to roam around the world if you study hard, get a respectful job, and become a famous doctor or engineer or a pilot. Okay, fine. Mom, I'm hungry. Get me something to eat. You feel hungry every hour? How many times do I cook for you? I'm tired of being in the rasora. Bahar ja, zara ghuma thoda. Wow, Mom, that was cool. Can you repeat it? I'll record it for my Instagram post. Do one thing. Forget about being a doctor or engineer. Become a YouTuber instead. But Mom, you only said that these professions are respected by the society. So are influencers. Come on now, let's make a reel on Rasore mein kaun tha.
Yes, sir. How are you? Oh, yes, I am very fine. Yes. Yes. Should I order one box of mask for you? No? Okay, sir. Then take 1 dozen, sir. 1 dozen. Then, oh, please, sir. Take 1 piece, sir. Don't you think everybody should have 1 piece of mask at their home due to the pollution? Hello? This mask business is so useless.
Sir,
What?
our salary.
My company is not talking and you want salary? Here you go, son. I'm the richest man in the world. Even Megan Tusk is nothing against me. Hello? Yes, sir. You want 50 cartons? Okay. Hold on. Hello? Yes, sir. You want 100 cartons? Okay. That'll be less. I'll be rich and I shall be richer.
See, bro, I told you, our company will be the biggest in the whole wide world.
We are in demand now. One of the most richest workers of all the time.
Stop talking, get your hands to work. Too many orders to complete. Time is not money. Now time is mask.
Guys, we should totally go to a beach destination this vacation.
Yes. Let's go trekking to Himalayas?
No,
let's go skydiving in Dubai.
Yes.
I have an idea. Let's blindfold our eyes and select a place.
Okay, I'll volunteer.
Go, the beach it is.
Yes.
Guys, let's travel to Kanyakumari or Ladakh this vacation.
I don't think it's the right time to travel right now.
Yes, I agree.
Huh? Guys, Lonavala is only 1500 rupees per night.
What?
Shall we risk it?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, definitely. Let's check what we have to keep in mind.
Okay. Room rent 1500 rupees. That's great. RT-PCR test 1000 rupees. What? Are you kidding me? 2 boxes of gloves provided by the hotel. a bottle of sanitizer per person. That's good. No toiletries? No bed sheets? Carry your own bed sheets.
What?
No soap, only hand sanitizer.
I think that's a bad idea.
But guys, what about quarantine? You have to at least get quarantine for 14 days.
And we even need to be vaccinated. And to be honest, I'm really afraid of the syringe.
Why are you afraid of it?
Let's keep looking still.
My mom said no traveling.
Okay. Calm down. Chill.
Down, take a chill pill, man. Fellow students, it is time we take a decision. The path we choose today will be responsible for our existence. Together we are and together we will win. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall. Fellow students, it is time we take a decision. The path we choose today will be responsible for our existence. Together we are, but now together we will not win. Remember, united we are strong, but at a distance we are stronger.
The fifth category of the elocution competition was short play. We have prepared a small video where excerpts from all the centers have been shared. We hope to give you a glimpse of the hard work and efforts put in by all the teams. Thank you.